Hello everyone, it's Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art. Hope you're enjoying our Fluid Art Express today with all our amazing artists we have to offer. Hope you've just watched Shannon, the great ShanB Fluid Art. How good is the woman, huh? Always out of the box, one of my favourite artists. So, what we're going to do today, a bit interesting. It's one of them ones where you have a dream and you sort of go, I wonder if that's going to work. So, I think we'll give it a go. So, what I've got here is my little cup there. So it's got some delicious colours in there. We've got our Inferno, of course, our Boogie, our Mosh. We've got a bit of Lemon Sorbet and Submarine. I've even got Blue Eyes in there, and we've got some Mermaid. So, and I must add, I've got the quinacridone. Is that right, boss?
It is right.
Excellent. Look at me go, right?
Quinacridone, magenta.
There we go. See?
Who are the other colours by?
This Little Piggy.
Oink, oink, oink.
Absolutely. So, what I'm going to attempt, what I'm thinking anyway, is we're going to do a ring pour in the shape of a ring to start off with. Get a nice swirl of these gorgeous colours. Aren't they gorgeous? So I'm just going to move it around a bit, just so I can get a good ring of colour. I'm just getting some pattern through it as I go. Then we'd branch out this week. We'd start with a bit of a pour. I'm a bit excited. I've got to see if this is going to work. Sometimes the ideas in your head just don't turn out, but I think we're going to give it a go. Sort of also inspired by the great Lance Travis, which I was so excited that he was back this week. If you missed his latest YouTube premiere, I suggest you get on and have a look. Lance is just such an inspiring artist because he's out of the box. He loves to experiment, and that's absolutely right up my alley. And just wanted to send you best wishes, Lance, to you and your mum. I hope she continues to keep on that upward climb. Keeps getting better. So, it's looking pretty cool. I love what these colours are doing together. Getting there. Just want to get some of that other colour on the outside so I get a bit of that. There's some dark coming through. I might get some big loops going on now. There we go. Here comes that quinacridone. Break up a bit of that there. Just keep walking him around. One thing I love about the spinner, you can use it to your advantage when doing something like this, and it doesn't have to be fast. You can just take your time and walk the paint. Alrighty, so I think that bit might do us there. And I just want to centre that up just a little bit for what I got in mind. Down a little bit. So, I think we might run the gauntlet and leave. I've got a few little bubbles in there. But I'm hoping when we do our swipe, they might bring up some other colour for us, which would be pretty darn cool. So I'll just load up this palette knife. So what I was actually thinking of doing is, we've done our ring pour. I think we might do a different type of radial, but take it from the ring itself and not the centre. So let's see how we go, hey? Just take our time. We're not in a hurry. I'm just going to walk it off now, because I want to get some effects up the top here. It's selling up nice, which is a pretty good sign. I think we got that swipe quite well done. And how cool do the colours look? Because we've done that ring pour, you're just getting this really cool rainbow cells everywhere. I'm really happy with that. So what I'm going to do now, grab our magic skewer. How can you not love them? And I'm just going to manipulate a little bit of this paint from the centre line here I've got. But I thought I hadn't sort of seen a, well, different style radial done like this, so get rid of that pesky line. So if you ever get one of them white lines too, you can sort of, if you put the skewer in on the right angle, you can walk the white back. So it's not all over. A bit tricky in the centre because I've actually got a really thick pillow puddle in the middle for what I want it to do. I'm hoping it sort of opens up and gives us some real big chunky cells here. And I found if the pillow's too thin, it won't open up for you. So we're just going to walk our way around the outside. I just want to continue this pattern a bit. Sort of giving it like a seashell look. I don't know, something different. Alright, we're nearly there. And work our way around. So of course we're going to probably lose a lot of this, so I'm not going to worry too much what happens there. Because probably if I do many patterns in there, they're just going to run off anyway. Alright. I might just take this down. Really love, I had this copper in here, and it just does really beautiful things with that quinacridone. Really sets it off. Alright, so I think what we're going to do is we'll give that a spin and we'll see what it's going to do for us. Might walk it up a little bit. Try and get it as much in the center as I can. And let's see what it does for us. Not quite there. That's a better. Give it a good movement. And before I go any further, I might just pop any bubbles now, so it gives me another chance to spin some off. But I'm loving how these colours really blended well together. I think that sort of given it a cool effect, something different. Now I'm just going to pin drop some of these. Where the colour popped its head through white, we don't like that. A little bit annoying. And one more. There we go. It's like magic, isn't it? Disappears. It's that little bubble right there. Thought it had me. Was wrong. Pop. Alright, one more spin that way. Let's open it up the other way. And I think that will do it. I'm pretty happy with that. My different style ring pour with a radial swipe. So I'll let my amazing cameraman, Mr. Venom himself, do you want to zoom in for me, sweetheart?
I shall.
So didn't that work really well with the colours? Just blended them beautifully. I'm really happy with that. So next up today, guys, on the Fluid Art Express, we're introducing an amazing new artist. Her name is Simona from Simona's Fluid Art. I hope you all jump into her chat and enjoy the show, because I think she's going to bring something amazing to the Fluid Art Express today. So I hope you enjoyed that today, guys. I'm quite happy that dream come out real. I'm really happy with it. I hope you liked it too. So that's it for me. All I can say is take care, stay safe. I'll see you in the next Student versus Teacher, and have a fantastic day. Thanks, guys.